Here we go. There are three reasons to put your e-skate motor on the Omakase Deck from Loaded Boards. It is stiff, it is shorter than Icarus, and it is more stable to the high speeds. Make two boards from your Icarus race kit. This is basically the idea of this video. I almost finished to film the video, but I wasn't happy with it, so I took the board in Italy with me. So I give it another try here in the near from Bologna. As I am a big heavy rider, I found two ways to ride this deck. The first one is to put my front feet on the nose of the board while having my back feet in the middle. This makes the board more agile and I can turn very quickly. As you can see, curving in this position is also a lot of fun. The second option would be to spread your feet all over the board. I mean the front feet on the nose and the back feet on the tail of the board. This way it's much easier to get over the cracks in asphalt, for example. I'm not a hell of a rider, but I'm having fun with the board with my mid-40s. So this was a fine ride. But first of all, I'm gonna personalize it with a high voltage sign, which is kind of my signature for my electric boards. I've started doing this stuff back in time as I bought my first travel deck for the GuideAngelo motor, and I liked it. It makes the boards looks a little bit different from the standard ones. I'm just cutting off basically in the skateboard tape a high voltage sign. Why am I doing this? Well, you can see here this deck is a little bit shorter, so I can put it in the bag that I'm gonna check into the flight. I am splitting the Icarus race kit in two. I'm taking one motor, one battery and one core, and I'm putting them on the Omakase. You just need to buy a second remote and you have two boards. So I ride the Omakase deck now for over 2 months as I took it with me on all my trips, and I'm still pretty impressed with it. Even if I am a rider who actually enjoys the flex of the bamboo deck from Icarus. But still, Omakase is different and I have a lot of fun with it. Of course, if you use it with the Paris Trucks V3 and the orangutan wheels of 80mm or 85, I don't remember anymore. So when I get back home and I need full power, I'm just taking one motor and the battery and I'm switching on Icarus. It's a stiff deck, 3 layers. It has a wonderful concave. It has a little bit of tail. If you are watching from this perspective, you will see it. And it looks like a piece of art. I really like it. It's a little bit heavier than my other travel configuration. This one, this was the curve board, was initially a sub skateboard and it was pretty good. It was also stiff, but if you watch this like this, then you will see the difference. I mean, the Omakase is way wider, with 25 centimeter. It's gonna make a big difference for my big foot. we're gonna have fun with it. Oh, I love the way it looks. And of course, we're gonna personalize it. I have the orangutan wheels, the blue ones. They are a little bit softer than the orange ones. And I also have new Paris trucks in this transformer color, which I like a lot. They are the V3 180 degrees, I guess. And I also have the original bushings from Loaded, from Orangutan. Yellow in the front and orange in the back. This is pretty much exactly how the cars came configured. I like this. I really like it. Thank you very much for joining me on this fantastic e-ride trip. Leave a like if you are a rider or you want to be one, and see you in the next one. I am GuideAngelo. Bye bye and choose.